Vybz Kartel is in. Vybz Kartel, you know, I do a song named Addy. Vybz Kartel take on to the song. You see me? And it was just a song I give Vybz Kartel him flowers. I show him respect, you see me? Because I see a rapper named Johnny Lucas do a song I big up Will. So it inspired me for big up Vybz Kartel, especially in a film situation now. So I say, yo, I have to tell him some rate him, because every time that man see me before the incarceration, that every time him see him say, yo, wanna we a bad DJ.
Okay, so you were linked with Kartel from
God,
back.
man. Like me couldn't go Gaza. You see me? It's just that me always tell myself, say me have me.
You kind of remind me, I told you earlier you remind me of Hitmaker. I'm lying. It's Rhino you kind of
Rhino, because enough people not even know. Like, the way I twist up my ear, I used to do my thing, Mr. Rhino, you know, when I see Rhino up on TV and think of me are the same type of vibe, you see me? And, you know, great mind think alike, because Rhino, I'm a brother. You see me? So big up Rhino anyway you're there, you see me? Because we never take side in our music. So in a Corona, I go so boom, I find the Addy song and Bounty Killer again. The man posts the song on him page, and my followers just go up so. And the same day Vybz Kartel post it too. The page, Vybz Kartel page, because I could be clear, we don't know who I do the posting.
Yeah.
But Vybz Kartel page post it, and my followers go on triple up. And I say, yes. Yeah. So I have to big up a man like Bounty Killer. Then now I get a verse from Vybz Kartel. So I get me official
on the G mix of the
G mix. So I get me official collab with Vybz Kartel, where I always dream for do a song with the man, you see me? Because to me are the baddest lyricists, you see me? So him actually in this time, you know, I still have Papa San as the baddest same way. So it's like Papa San Kartel, you know? So so Vybz Kartel do the song with me and thing, and Bounty Killer again forward in the video.
Yes,
when Bounty Killer come a cash up, brother, everybody just start clapping. You see me? It was a big moment for me. And Killer do these things and know where I do. Him do this because he want to build your self-esteem, he want to build your confidence, and he also want to see you win.
Yeah.
So, me don't know too much man like that we want to see another man win and seriously say, yo, me I go do what me can do for make you win. And he's not an alliance member, isn't it?
He uses his star power to give other star. It's like taking a candle that's lit. He's the candle that's lit to light your flame.
That is it. That's why in my new song named Discipline, you me give my big up Bounty Killer, and the first line is, if you're this Bounty Killer, you see me? Problem. So yeah, big up Bounty Killer, you see me? Straight.
Crazy stuff. Only downfall in your career that happened, you got shot in 2021?
Yes. Wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah.
Nobody never there target me. I just want to make people know this. Nobody never there target was, because, you know, was I just musician, pure music my deal with and things. So when someone I shoot people, I shoot music videos. So when I mix, I want to portray that neither. You see me? I just at the wrong place at the wrong time, and, you know, a stray bullet, you know, fly through one of my hand. I come out of the hospital the same night, do my freestyle Friday the day after. So everybody come. One of my brethren come and him say, no man, lift up your shirt. I say, for what? Him say, you're not getting a shot. I do this for publicity. I say, seriously, bro? He did me that say something like this. So me have to, you know, pull up my sleeve and show him. The bullet fly right through. Because I did a prayer right through. You see me? Straight.
What was going through your mind when you realized that you got shot?
Well, I try not to panic. That's the first thing. But definitely frightened, because I hear about them thing there. You know, I know say I never feel like me to encounter that. You see me? Especially which part it happened. It happened right at my mother gate. That's why I'm respected and everybody love with. You see me? That's why I know exactly what happened. Cause, you know, something like that happened. We'll put the pressure in the streets and we'll find out what. Yeah. So, you know, yeah, it actually frightened me. I said, Judge, I wonder if, you know, it a go cause me for, you know, and I start feel away there. But, you know, I did smart enough to know, say, if my break down in front of my mother, she a go break down. So all I do is say, Mom, you know, so one of the shot fly through my hand and thing, but nothing for her about, because she come out like, yo, you know. So my dad try downplay it, because I don't want nobody around me kind of worry. You see me? And anybody know the situation and close to me, them will tell us I'm actually happy how it happened, because my father did out one at the time, my mother did out, and Ninja Ford, all I with it was there. And it fly through my hand, and nothing happened to me. So I just happy it happened that way. Because I couldn't stand feet up another way and nobody else get hurt, you see me?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.